Click on Direct Quote and add a project title to continue. Direct quoting can be used to collect ratings and reviews to be more competitive on the platform. Use direct quoting to send quotes to your existing customers. Set your prices, add materials, labor, set quantity, and add more information about the stages set. Add time frame, description, and contingency to continue. Add expiry date to your HST number and a note for the homeowner. Add your client's information, including their email address, name, phone number, and address. Review final details and click on Submit to send. Your quote is now sent to your client.